Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Hi, can I touch you? Oh, okay.
Sit. Will you be my Valentine?
What?
Buffy, you snore too damn loud. If you don't snore tonight, I promise I will bring you to the beach tomorrow. Deal?
Told y'all when duty call. It's 11:59 at night, Monday. Just finished up my last back to school cut. Had to do a quick little lineup real fast. Yes, sir. Bang, bang. Talking about spiffy. You know you bad. Damn.